guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious carne asada quesadillas. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by making our salsa de árbol. To our blender cup, we're going to add 5 boiled tomatillos, along with 1 Roma tomato, 2 lightly toasted chile puyas, and chile de árbol. I'm using a handful, but of course, depending on how spicy you want your salsa, then it depends on how many you're going to use. Or you can just substitute for more chile puya, since there's less spicy. Along with that, 2 garlic cloves and salt. We're going to be blending with 1 cup of water. Okay, so now just blending to smooth. Okay, and just like that, we have our salsa. So now we can pour it to our bowl. Okay, here, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. Now to make our avocado salsa, to our blender cup, we're going to add 2 large avocados, 2 raw chile serranos, a handful of cilantro, 2 garlic cloves, salt, the juice of half a lime, and we're going to be blending with a little bit of water. I'm using half a cup. So now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our salsa. So now we're just going to pour it into our bowl. Okay, so just pour it. Here you're going to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. So once we have our salsas, now we can get ready to make our meat. Okay guys, so to prepare our meat, we're going to begin by making our carne asada seasoning. And for that, we're going to mix 1 tablespoon of chili powder, lemon pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, chipotle powder, and salt. I'm using 5 teaspoons. So we're just going to mix it together. Okay, and just like that, we have our carne asada seasoning. So now we can sprinkle it over our meat. I'm using skirt, but you can also use bottom round. Just make sure that it gets nice and coated. And also make sure that it is small cubed. Okay, once we have seasoned our meat, now we can get ready to make our quesadillas. To cook our carne asada, we're going to grab our skillet, set it over medium-high heat, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to heat up. And once it's nice and hot, we're going to add our meat. Make sure to put it on a single layer. Don't overcrowd it. And we're just going to cook it for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, our meat should be fully cooked. Of course, just make sure that you check it. So now I'm just going to remove it from the heat. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our quesadillas. Okay, now to make our quesadillas, we're going to use the same skillet. Reduce the heat to medium. I'm going to be adding a little bit more oil, but of course, this is all optional. Going to place my tortillas and allow them to blister. Okay, so once they have fully blistered, I'm going to turn them over. Okay, going to add the cheese. And I'm using queso Oaxaca, but of course you can always use your favorite melting cheese. I'm just going to allow it to melt. Going to add some onion, some cilantro, the salsa roja, and of course our green salsa. I'm gonna grab the top, place it over, and remove it from the heat. Okay, so now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, fast, and very delicious. And of course, you know, you can always enjoy them in a flour tortilla if you want to. But this right here, it's honestly the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. The meat, so flavorful. It's perfect. The salsa's amazing. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make this super easy and delicious carne asada quesadillas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.